Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribing would be great. Like this video and comment below other videos that you would like to see. Also, follow me on Instagram. That is where I'm the most active. I'm trying to, you know, boost my game on here, but the gram, like, I try and, you know, be fun and artsy on my Instagram. Today, I'm going to be doing the ultimate glow makeup tutorial with using, the most exciting part about this is that I'm using the brand new, literally put on the shelf at Sephora yesterday. Not sure when this video is gonna be posted, but it was literally put on the shelf yesterday, and I've been looking at it online, and I've gone into Sephora like 3 times in the past like week, like where is it? And then finally there it was. But it is the, sorry, I have fingerprints all over it because I just did this look, but it is the Be a Light palette by BECCA Cosmetics. And to just give a rundown, because this whole video is using this whole palette, we have a light shade here, a darker shade here, and then a blush and a bronzer. I don't want to give anything away, but you definitely want to watch. This thing is amazing. This one is for brightening. This one's for blurring, blush and bronzer. And your girl is like the most glowy she's ever been in her whole life. I'm not 100% sure if you can tell because this ring light is so intense. Sometimes it just washes me out. I really hope that it's not doing that, because when I look past the ring light into my mirror, I actually feel like a goddess. In a makeup way, like wow. I've actually, you know, I just feel amazing. So I'm so excited about this look. I'm so excited that I decided to film it, and I'm so excited that this worked out because it's amazing. Also, it's not that expensive, which is really great because I kind of expected it to be like, I thought it was gonna be like 60 bucks because you get 2 face shades, a blush and a bronzer, and that would for sure be 60 bucks all separate. But it was actually $46, which is not terrible for a whole face, you know? But yeah, without blabbing, without talking any longer, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Okie dokie. So the first, well, I've already prepped and primed because I have a very specific skincare routine from an acne specialist. I'm happy to share some tips if you guys are also interested in that. But anyways, let's get started in this video. So first, I'm going to use a cream stick foundation because I just feel like that gives the glowiest of all looks, like very dewy and glowy. I personally am using this one by Priya. I'm sure that you guys have never heard of it, but P-R-I-I-A. And this is one that is 100% acne proof. So this is all I've been using since I saw my skin lady. So we're just going to put this on. I do like 3 stripes on each cheek, add a little extra. And then I'm taking this flat, like kabuki brush, angled contour Urban Studio. Got it from Marshall's, very cheap, it was like $5. So that's amazing. Just buffing this in. And if you are wondering what to use as a cream stick foundation, my personal favorite is the Hourglass. I still honestly use that sometimes, but I try and limit it because it's not worth the breakouts. And then we're gonna take this Naked Skin by Urban Decay and do it under the eyes. You know, the usual little on my chin. Pretty. But yeah, the usual concealing. And I just buff it in with the same brush because it works very nicely. Usually I've always been a beauty blender girl, but when I use the cream stick, I use this, and then I just don't want to get my beauty blender wet just for concealer, so I just use this again, and it's great. I think I'm gonna zoom y'all in just a little. Okie dokie, so I changed that a little bit. But now, yeah, I'm just blending in that concealer. Very easy. Okay, so now that that concealer is on is where the exciting part comes with the backlight palette. So here we are. And I have never used this before, so I really don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna do it. So it says on here that the first powder, which I'm assuming they're talking about this one, is for, it's a brighten powder, use all over face to brighten and boost radiance. The blush is for use on cheekbones to add a pop of color, contour, and bronze. And then this darker one is use all over face to blur imperfections. Okay, so I'm gonna use this light one just under my eyes. I feel like I need a softer brush. Okay, this is better. Okay, I already like that a lot. So I'm just setting my concealer with the light shade in this. Wherever you want to be the brightest. Wow, that looks very cool in the camera. I feel like the camera picks up like the blurring or whatever the best. But wow, I'm liking. Oh my god, it already looks like I have highlighter on. But it is just this stuff. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go all over the face with the darker shade because that says to use all over the face to blur and even the complexion. So I'm just dipping like a slightly denser brush into that, and I'm gonna just pack it on. No, not pack it on. Dust it on, but everywhere. Looks nice. I feel like it's a little dark for some reason, and this is the lightest shade. You can definitely see where it goes on. And you can for sure, I mean, I'm not positive, but I believe that you can definitely use this palette on its own, but I did read that it's very, very sheer and that it's more of a setting powder palette, not just only. Wow, okay. I honestly look so glowing and pretty. My skin looks so glowing and pretty. Let's see here. Ooh. So now I want to do bronzer, and normally I use bronzer on this big fluffy brush, and this is kind of a really small bronzer little piece here, but I'm going for it. Then I'm just gonna bronze it up. Okay, I love that bronzer. Wow. Sorry, this isn't a first impressions type of video, but I just can't help but react. It's very nice. So putting that can you see that? I don't want to stop putting it on. It's beautiful. Okay, so far my favorite piece of this whole palette would be the dark one that went everywhere because it gave me just an amazing glow. I feel like I'm kind of washed out on this side, so I'm I'm having a little bit of lighting trouble. The time of day is not ideal. So now I'm going in on the other side because that was amazing. I'm just bronzing up. If you can't tell, I'm looking very glowy and sun-kissed, bronzed and glowing. Okay, we are going to move on to the blush now, using just this little angled blush brush on the blush. Oh, it's definitely having some fallout. That's okay. Okay, the blush just literally took it to another level. Oh my god, literally in the camera, it's, wow. Okay, so let's see. Blush, use on cheekbones to add a pop of color. Okay, well now I don't need any highlighter, or that will be like a scary situation. I'm just gonna put this like that, so it's like highlighter and blush. Wow, that blush is... Okay, now I'm going to advise you to use a light hand with the blush because suddenly I might look slightly scary. So I'm gonna actually go back with the brush that I used all over my face and just kind of like try and be less scary. And I'm going to do my eyebrows with just this drugstore Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. It's always been my favorite. And I will just go ahead and skip this part. Okay, so now that I did that pencil on my brows, okay, so now I'm gonna use this Hourglass Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel because I can't do my eyebrows without it. Just a pencil or just like a pomade is not enough, so I like to fluff the brows with this. And I would be happy to go back to Gimme Brow. It's just went away for a while, and then I got this since it was like discontinued. And then now I'm just gonna wait till this is gone to get it again. But this was good. Now we're gonna use this new eyeshadow that I got by Cover FX. It's called Shimmer Veil. And I haven't used it yet. I'm intrigued. I did a tester at Sephora though, so it looks like that. And I'm assuming you just plop it on your eyelid. It's like a lipstick applicator type of thing. Here, I'll come back close. But it's so shimmery that I felt like it would be perfect for this glowing tutorial. Wow, okay, cool. It's awesome. Okay. You know, if I'm gonna be completely honest, this eyeshadow formula is amazing. It just blended out perfectly and gave an amazing sparkle to it. It's not creasing. It's honestly, that was really impressive. However, I think it's purple and I thought it was gonna be brown. And I don't do that. I don't do purple, so, okay. This is beautiful and glowing and amazing and purple. But we're gonna go with it because it's still very pretty, just purple. I need to go back and get a different color. Yeah, so there's that. I'm going to do mascara and I'm gonna do the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Wow, I'm like the glowiest person ever. I'm glowing from within, it feels like. I don't do fake lashes, like, pretty much ever. So yeah, feel free to go for it. However, I just like to put mascara on. a lot of mascara though. Also, the funny thing is I'm going to lunch with my grandma after this, so I literally feel like she's gonna be like, who is my granddaughter? With like all of the glitter, or not even glitter, but like this purple eyeshadow. I just really can't get over it. Okay, the eyes, complete. The glow is glowing. And now the last step to this is my favorite, putting my lips on. I am using, like I use in every single video I ever film, the Everlasting Lip Liner in Lovecraft by Kat Von D. I'm just lining, overlining. And you know, I should consider switching up my lipstick game, but this one's just the most solid of my entire life. So then I use the matching lipstick by Kat Von D in the same shade, Lovecraft. Wow, this lip shade is just forever the best. But okay, so wow, that is the look, guys. Let's back this up, bag it up, not zoom it in, bag it up. Okay, I am ready to go and glow for my grandma. She is gonna be shook by this glow. Oh my gosh, looking like I have a mirror right here. Wow. I've never felt so beautiful. Even with this like purple shimmer eyeshadow. My skin truly looks so healthy and shimmery and glowing. Like, you know when you look on Instagram and you see all the Instagram models and you're like, just don't really understand how their skin glows. Like, my skin doesn't glow, like, you know? Guys, I'm literally giving a huge ass thumbs up to this, except like only if you're setting, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't show up otherwise. And also I haven't like worn it all day, so I don't know if I'm gonna look like a grease ball after this, you know, like in a couple hours. But so far, very good. And I'm so excited. Like, I wore, you know, yellow, like I feel glowy. Oh my gosh, I should have put some on my collarbones to really give it the last oomph. But yeah, so this is the ultimate glow summer glowy look, and I would have to say I achieved it amazing. Like, I couldn't be happier with the ultimate glow, like I promised. But thank you guys for watching, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup look, and I hope that everyone goes and gets this palette because it's amazing. Like this video, subscribe, comment below what you would like to see in future videos, and yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Have a great day.